Hi, this is your friend Shashikant, and today I am going to unbox this BOYA BY-M1 lavalier microphone. As well as I am going to tell you how to make it work with every smartphone without having any problem. This one is the best budget microphone. The best thing about this clip-on lapel microphone that you can use it with all smartphones, all PCs, DSLR, cameras, camcorders, computers and laptops and any other device which is having audio and video recording facility. It's having high quality condenser microphone with low handling noise for accurate voice recording and having omnidirectional pickup pattern for flexible and easy use.
Now let's see what is there inside the box. Here you will get the blue and white box. You'll get a BOYA BY-M1 lavalier microphone which picks up the sound, enters through these holes on the top of the capsule. This is called the power pack, and on that you can see a switch is there. You can turn it on and off, which provides the power for the microphone when using with the devices which require the powered microphone. So when you are using this with the devices which need powered microphone like DSLR cameras, etc., you have to turn the power on, and when you are using it with the devices like smartphones, you can turn it switch off. Even you don't need to install the battery to use it with the smartphones. You will get a foam windscreen to reduce the wind noise. This one is the high quality metal clothing clip which you can get with this mic. The clothing clip is made of metal. It looks like long lasting. You'll get a battery which we call LR44, and now I'm going to show you how to install the battery inside this power pack. Here you can see the plus sign. On that you can match the plus sign over the battery, and you can insert the battery inside this socket. And as I told you, if you are using it with a smartphone, no need to install the battery. Simply you can use it like that. You just have to turn the switch off. This one is an adapter pin to connect it with the big audio devices, and you will get a user manual where you can read about all the troubleshoots and everything like technical specifications and all mentioned over there. And it's having a very long wire which is 6 meters, or we can say it is 20 feet, which is awesome to record from the distance, and it gives you the freedom to move while recording.
You will get this kind of blue and white box. QR code is there, so you can check the authenticity of the product that you have purchased. Various sites and sellers are selling it for different prices. I have got this from Amazon for 975 rupees. One very important thing about this mic is that while recording the video from your smartphone, you will find that it is not recording the audio, and you will feel that this mic is not working with your smartphone. But the fact is that default camera application for video recording which is in your smartphone will not allow to record the audio from the external mic. Inbuilt recording facility is there in your default application. You can check it. Otherwise you have to download the third-party application just like Open Camera, which is the best one to record the audio while recording the video. Otherwise you can use another smartphone to record the audio. Later you can merge it with your video.
See, I used to use this, which is blue snowball ice condenser mic, which is pretty awesome, and to record the audio you have to go near to this mic. Best mic to record any kind of voiceover or any kind of background recording.
Finally, what I can say, it's all about your needs. Both are great mics. BOYA BY-M1, which we have reviewed, is the best in budget. And thanks for watching the video, my friends. Take care and bye bye.